Okay, next for our problem number 3. A dual cycle using air operates at 14.7 psia, uh, 70 degree Fahrenheit, and compression ratio of 7. A cylinder diameter of engine is 10 inches, and the stroke is 12 inches. The pressure at the end of the isometric heating process is 800 psia. If heat is added at the constant pressure during 3% of stroke, we will be computing the network and the cycle thermal efficiency. The atmosphere is at 14.7 psia and 70 degree Fahrenheit. So that's it. I will be solving it the number 3. So may given value of pressure 1 na 7 na 14.7 psia. Temperature 1 natin is 70 degree Fahrenheit. Plus 460, parang hindi siyang 530 degree Fahrenheit. The compression ratio of 7, we have a diameter na 10 inches and a height of 12 inches or 1 feet. So pressure 3 na 800 psia and 3% of our VD. First is, kuhanin muna natin yung value ng ating VD. VD natin is V1 over V2. But, we will be assuming na ito yung size niya. Meron tayong, gakuha natin yung volume ng cylinder. Meron tayong formula na pi d squared over 4 times height. So, i-convert na rin natin siya by feet. So, substitute the value of diameter na 10 inches. Then, may height tayo na 12 inches. So, convert lang rin natin siya para maging siyang cubic. Convert natin siya sa cubic feet. So, 10, pi multiplied by 10 squared over 4 multiplied by 12 divided by 12, 12 cube. 12 cube. Mayroon tayo 0.545 cubic feet na VD. So, next is, kukuhanin na natin yung value ng ating volume 1 and volume 2. Pero, gagamitin natin yung formula ng RK. So, RK, equivalent siya sa 7 V1 over V2. So, cross multiply lang, meron tayong first equation na V1 equals to 7 V2. So, for getting our V2, gagamitin natin yung formula ng VD equals to V1 minus V2. So, may VD na tayo na 0.57 cubic feet. Equivalent siya sa yung V1 kasi natin, sa substitute lang natin. Ngayon, V1 is 7 V2 minus V2. So, ano lang to, factor out, magkakaroon tayo ng 6, yes, magkakaroon na 7 minus 1 dito, then may V2 tayo na 0.091 cubic feet. Therefore, getting the V1, multiply lang natin yung V2 by 7, may V1 na tayo na 0.637 cubic feet. So, for getting our pressure 2, kakailanganin din natin yan later. Kakailanganin natin to step by step to get the work net and the efficiency. So, pressure 2, magamit tayo na P1, V1 raised to K, equivalent siya sa P2, V2 raised to K. Substitute lang, magiging siyang P1, RT raised to K. Then, may pressure 1 tayo na 14.7. 14.7 actually yan. PSIA multiplied by 7 raised to 1.5. Then makakaroon tayo ng pressure 2 na 224.107 PSIA. Then we will be getting the temperature 2 na T1 over T2 equivalent siya sa RK raised to 1 minus K. Then cross multiply lang. Makakaroon tayo ng T2 equivalent to T1 over RK raised to 1 minus K. We substitute the value of them. Kakaroon tayo ng T2 na 1,154.29 Rankine. Therefore, getting the RP, meron tayong formula na P3 over P2, which is P3 natin is 530 PSIA, and our P2 na 224.107 PSIA. Then for our P3 na 3.57. Then for getting our temperature 3, meron tayong formula na P2 over T2 equivalent siya sa P3 over T3 mag-derive siya sa T3 equivalent siya sa RP multiplied by T2. Then RP natin na 3.57 multiplied by our T2 na 1,154.29 radkine. Meron tayong T2 temperature 3 na 4,120.815 radkine. Then for getting our temperature 3, temperature 4 rather, mga kailangan tayo ng RC. Kaso wala pa tayong value ng RC. Kaya ito yung value ng RC, kailangan natin ng volume 4. For getting our volume 4, gagamit tayo ng formula ng V4, equivalent siya sa V3 plus 0.03% ng V3. So, substitute lang natin, lab naman natin yung V3 equivalent siya sa V3 plus our 4, plus 3% ng VT. So, meron tayong G for the 107 cubic feet. Then, for getting our RC, meron tayong volume 4 over volume 3. Volume 4 na 0.107 over 0.091. Meron tayong RC na 1.176. Then, for getting our T4, gagamitin natin yung formula ng T5 multiply by RC. Ay, T3. T3 multiply by RC. May T3 tayo ng 4,120.815 multiply by 1,176. Meron tayong T4 na 4,846.78 Kelvin. Ay, Rankine, rather. Then, we will be getting the mass. Magagamitin natin sa pagkuha ng work net natin. So, kasi yung formula ng work net natin is QA minus QY. Kakailangan tayo ng mass sa formula na yun. So, gagamit lang tayo ng formula ng PV and RT. Meron tayong pressure na 14.7 PSIA. Then, meron tayong volume na meron tayong volume na 0.637 cubic feet. Then, ko-convert natin siya sa inches para ma-cancel yung cubic feet natin. Then, meron tayong 53.35 dito na pound force feet over pound mass rankine over 570 rankine. Then, kakaroon tayo ng 530 lang kalayan. Then, magkakaroon tayo ng 0.048 pound mass. Then, for getting our QA, kukuha muna tayo ng QX and QY. For getting the QX is meron tayong MCV delta T, which is T3 minus T2. Meron tayong mass na nakuha natin pa lang na 0.048 pound mass. Yung constant value ng CV natin, which is 0.171 BTU per pound mass rankine multiplied by 4,120.815 minus 1,154.29 rankine. So, ano lang, unit analysis, makakancel yung ating pound mass, then yung pound mass din dito, then yung rankine natin, matitira lang is 24.349 BTUs. Then, for getting our QY, meron tayong NCP delta T again, T4 minus T3. Yung M natin na 0.048 and yung constant value na CP natin na 24 BTU per pound mass force, ay pound mass rankine. Then, multiply siya sa temperature 3 and 4 and 3 natin na 4,846.078 minus 4,120.815. Then, may QY tayo na matitira lang is BTU na 8.355. Then, for getting the QR naman, which is heat rejected, meron tayong NCV delta T, T5 minus T1. So, 0.048 na mass, may constant value na 0.171 na CV, then temperature 5 natin na 2,374.41, tsaka minus 530. So may QR tayo na, QR heat rejected tayo na 15.139 BTU. So substitute lang natin yon sa formula ng worknet. Yung QX natin na 24.349 plus 8.355 na QR ay QY minus our QIR na 15.139. So, meron tayong worknet na 17.565 BTU. Then, for getting our worknet, meron tayong, efficiency, meron tayong formula na worknet over QA. And our worknet is 17.565 BTU. Then, our QA is QX plus QY. Then, may efficiency tayo na 0.53,709 or 53.71%.